Today is the day, girls. We're doing Zara Larsson makeup. I literally bought these flowers off Shimmer. I was waiting for them to arrive because I was like, oh my god, that is so like midnight sun, you know? Zara Larsson's makeup artist, Sophia Sinot. I am so sorry. I don't know how to pronounce it. She has genuinely reignited my love for creative makeup, for colourful makeup. Like, I haven't felt this in love with like cool makeup since like Euphoria, you know? Obviously I've always loved makeup and colourful makeup, but it's just like the style and just the vibes and just everything. Like, I am just, oh, thank you, thank you. I have 2 different makeup looks that I love, and I'm probably gonna do both. So if you enjoy this video, thumbs it up, let me know, and I'll do the other one. I also filmed my base already for my short form content, so I'll put that up by the time this goes up or just after this goes up if you want to know what else is on my face, just because I feel like, I don't know, I'm going to concentrate in this video and I don't want this video to be 8 years long. Funny though, because in one of these screenshots she wrote, yesterday's quick 1 hour glam on Zara Larsson. I'm like, bitch, how did you do that in 1 hour? And I'm pretty fast at doing my makeup, but I mean, jeez. So I think I'm going to do the pinky look today. I've got these like pink earrings. I just love the cut crease. It's like purpley pinky vibes. I may put my own spin on like some of the color. I don't know. We'll just see how we go. And I've already got some bronzer on. I might need some more bronzer. We'll see how we're looking at the end. Do I start with my eyeshadow? I suppose. So it's like a really bright white, like it looks kind of like a shimmery white, very bright, and then a purpley pinky kind of cut crease. I think I might start by drawing out the cut crease and then put a white base on and then kind of go back and forth just to get that nice blend. I have to pick a palette to use. Peter picked a palette. I already have this palette out. It's purpley vibes. I feel like it could work, and maybe just like a pink as well. I'm going to use, yeah, a little mixture of this palette, which is called the Love palette, and then the Roxa palette. So I'm going to take a really fluffy blending brush first, and the shade Valentine, which is like a really pale pinky color. And I'm just going to go straight into the crease with that to start the transition. It does look like there's like a little bit of a pink behind the purpley color. I'm applying quite a lot, so I feel like it's going to fade a bit by the time I keep blending everything else. Okay, next up, I'm going to start with this color in the corner. It's like a muted purple. I'm going to map out that shape I want with this, and then I think I'll cut my crease or like prime the lid more so. It's not really I mean, it's a cut crease, but I don't feel like we're going to have to sculpt too much. And that'll like finalize the kind of shape we're going for, and then I'm just gonna go over top of that with like a darker purpley pinky color. So I'm just like mapping it out. My eye look doesn't always suit this like super cut crease look. Usually I have to go like a little bit higher because I've got like a half hooded lid kind of, so I might just go like, yeah, higher up than what her makeup artist did, and I can make it look better soon. But we're going for something like this. I'm like so in love with these like recreating makeup look kind of videos lately. I just feel like way more inspired rather than just doing like stuff off the bat, you know? Right, I'm gonna look for like a white base, I think. We'll just commit, and then I need to find like a very pale frosty whitish color. This is cool, but it's a bit more silver, I think. That would look sick though. Look, it's got like a tiny bit of purple duochrome. I almost want to use that instead. Where is my little, I have like a brush I like for cut creases. Might just have to use my concealer brush because I've lost it. This shape is not going to be perfect because my eyes are just really not symmetrical. Usually if I do this, I just do like the very first part of the eye instead of all the way across, but hey. Putting it in a wing shape. This looks wild, but I'm hoping I can fix the shape a little bit when I do the darker crease. First though, I'm just going to commit. So this color is called Stargirl. It looks so pretty, and I just feel like I would never normally go for a color like this, so why not make today the day? I might use my finger for like most of it. It's actually such a cool color. Let's try a little bit of cerise in the crease. Could almost go a little bit more purple, I reckon, but I'll do a layer of this first. I'm just going with this like really skinny, I'm itchy pencil brush. You know what, actually though, if mine's more pink, so be it. I'm going to take a little bit of Intense as well, which is next to the light pink we used before from the other palette. I'm going right above that. And then do we try a little bit of, what does that say, Jacaranda? It's like a Barney purple, a little bit more cool tone, and maybe that'll just really make it pop. Starting from the outer corner in case I hate it. I could definitely find a colour that matches better from a different palette, but I'm just trying to not use more palettes because this is already a bit excessive. At this point, I'm just trying to trust the process. She's also got a very frosty brow bone, but I don't want mine to be as light as that one, so I might use this shade called Flutter. It's like a little bit purpley. Cute. It's more of like a glaze of shimmer. Well, that's the first time in a while I haven't put a brown in my crease. I'm going to go ahead and map out my eyeliner. She's got black eyeliner on. I'm so scared I'm gonna screw this up, so I might just go in first with like, I don't know, a very dark color with a shadow and then kind of go over that with black eyeliner so I don't mess up the shape. This color is so nice. It's like a very dark purple. I'm not worried that it's not filled in because we're going to go over it, but I think we're going for that type of shape today. That went reasonably well. Now I just have to try and match it to the other side, which is probably the hardest part. It looks like she's kind of got like black in her waterline, I reckon, like a really little amount, so I guess I'll do that too. Ugh. And then like winged eye, lashes, and then we're going to do all the rhinestones and the lips and the blush. Actually, we're going to do all that before the rhinestones. Anyway, oh my god, it's going to take forever. Alright, I'm pretty proud of that. That's the most symmetrical eyeliner I reckon I've done in a while. I think actually this side's way shorter than this side, but I'm scared. Today I'm going to use my Panorama mascara. I'm going to do top and bottom, and then I'm going to do a little bit of black on my waterline if I think it's going to look good. I'm scared. I actually did black on my waterline the other day on a short form video and loved it, but it was with like a very smoky like neutral eyeshadow, not colour. I'm so not used to, I don't think I ever do black with colour. But I mean, maybe it's time. I kind of love it. It's so Barbie. Wow, I really need to get onto my lash serum again. I've been very lazy. Lashes, sorry in advance, but I have some lashes here that are going to be perfect, I reckon. But the problem is they're a sample for my lash brand, so they aren't even available anywhere. I actually don't know if I'm going to love them because I think they're a bit extreme. I feel like they might suit this look because her lashes are very cat eye from what I can see. She's looking down, but they look very like fluffy on the outer corners. The full volume lashes actually would be amazing too. Ugh. I might do a concoction. I might mix together like a bunch of lashes. If you're recreating this look, I mean, you can just use any lashes you love. I'm just trying to like get that fluffy cat eye effect right now. I'm taking segments, putting the glue on the top of the lash. I'm going to stick it underneath because that's just my favorite technique lately. This is actually a strip lash, but I just cut them up, and I've learned that for my eye shape because my eyes, I can make them look a little bit more almond with makeup, but they're very round on the outer corners. I've got like the tear trough area which I can like accentuate, but my lashes on the outer corner are very rounded and actually droop down. Like these are my top lashes down here. Do you know what I mean? Like down here when you want them to be like up and lifted. And so I've stopped applying lashes all the way to my outer corner and kind of stopped like, I don't know, half a centimeter in, and it really lifts the eye a lot more, and it's changed my makeup game, I swear. These are like all the little things I've been doing lately, which I just feel like have made like such a big difference in the way my makeup's been looking. Honestly, when my lashes get stuck to my tweezer, it's enough to make me want to actually stab something. I mean, not actually, I'm not violent, but oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna like play around with my lashes and I'll be back once they're done. I was gonna put on another set to make them really dense, but actually I'm just gonna coat them with some more mascara. This is the bubble one, and make them a bit more like bold that way. Oh my god, I feel like Barbie. We're gonna do next the black waterline, I guess. I'm nervous. I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, I feel like I prefer a wide open waterline. Let me wipe that off. I might even use that like light pink flower nose eyeliner. It's like nude but light pink. It's more light pink. I think the eyes are done. Just gonna touch up that inner corner a little. Hamish is gonna love this eye makeup. He even said the other day I wore like a look and it didn't have winged liner or a bright inner corner, and I was like, oh, do you like my makeup today? He's like, yeah, you look hot, but I like the winged liner and the shimmery inner corner. I was like, you know what? Slay. Nothing better than when your man has like this little cute like makeup crush on you. Like, don't you reckon? It's adorable. Put my blind up. The lighting keeps changing today. The weather is nuts. I guess I'm going to do a little bit more bronzer and blush now. I'll do the lips last, I reckon. She's quite glowy, I think. So I'm going to use my Emco Beauty Summer Glow bronze powder. I don't need too much. I've already got a lot of bronzer on, but... Sorry, flower, I probably just got bronzer all over you. I've got like bronzer all in like the blonde part in the front of my hair too. And then the blush, it's like a berry pink. Kind of want to use a little bit of Prima Donna by Danessa Myricks. Before I do, I'll just use a little bit of my Jelly Mist to just put a little bit of a layer of, whoops, just a little layer of slick almost to my skin before I blend that on top. I'm going very slow because I'm very nervous. I feel like that's a decent color. I'm gonna apply, this is gonna seem weird, but just under the outer corner of my eye, if I can get this open with these stupid, anyway, Cloud Crush Blurring Blush and Candy Floss from Too Faced. And I'm just gonna use that like on that part under my eye to like really blend that in there. Then I'm gonna take a pink under eye powder. I'm just gonna use my Chic Glam one today. Taking a little bit just over the edge. I'm gonna use this Flower Nose Little Angel collection in L01. I don't even know what that says, but anyway, it's the Cupid collection. Look how cute this packaging is. It's like a whitish kind of color. Detail face brush. That matches the eye makeup so well. Yeah, I don't love the outer corner of these lashes, honestly. They're a bit like, I don't know, intense. Maybe a little bit of a brighter waterline. Yeah, I kind of hate the lashes actually. Oh well. We are going to do the rhinestones now. I'm going to do the lips last because I think I'll do a slightly different lip to the inspo pack. I just think I'd prefer something like, I don't know, it's like quite a warm lip. I feel like maybe something a little bit more brown maybe for me. I don't know, we'll figure it out soon. So I need some rhinestones. There's a pink rhinestones. Don't even know if I have pink ones, so we're just going to use whatever I have in my drawer. Yeah, unfortunately all I have are either kind of like blue reflex, which could be fun, or I have just like silver. Should have planned that better. Should have got some off Shein or something, but here we are. I kind of am drawn to the ones with reflect, but I don't know if it's going to be like too much. I just rain glue all through my hair. Good one. I just feel like the ones with a bit of reflect are going to be more whimsical. Silver is obviously going to look good because it's silver, but I don't know, I just feel like a little bit of like reflect will just look sick. So I'm using my bronzer lid. I've just got the biggest ones here. She's kind of got a lot of big ones along her temples, so I really need to get my hair out of the way. I'm just going to go for it. I feel like I'm gonna have to do such a good skincare routine after this. I'm just kind of scattering small ones amongst the big ones. I literally feel like this looks really creepy. Maybe it'll look better once there's heaps, because right now it's giving like some kind of weird skin infection. Right, let me keep going. I don't know, I think I'll just do this off camera and listen to some music and try to like chill myself out because right now I'm just annoyed. Before you say, Shannon, it would look so much better if you just did way more. I am so over it. Maybe I'll just do like a couple more big ones. It got to a point where I started reaching the flow state, you know. Where did I put that other glue glob? I keep losing where I'm putting my glue. I'm just doing whatever feels right at this point. Also, my nails are filthy from dealing with all the glue and makeup. I might add some more at the end, but for now, it's still fun. It's just, it takes forever. Let's do a lip combo. I'm gonna use one of the little duos that Natasha Denona sent over. This is P5 Gaia lip pencil with a high gloss and Lush Lila. I don't know, I feel like this color might look incredible. Let's see, shall we? Yeah, the lip liner is so pretty. Now this looks like a lilac kind of tone. Let's see. Literally perfection. I think that goes with the eye makeup literally so perfectly. Oh, I love it. I feel like a little fairy. I love this. I love it. Kind of wish I put a little bit more blush on, but what can you do? I can't really put it on now, can I? Well, that's my finished look, guys. I don't think it's obviously identical to the Zara Larsson look, but I love it nonetheless. I think it looks so sick. I just need to clamp down my lashes. I can feel them. I just use my lash tweezer and go along and like almost use it like a lash curler just to make sure that they're all like nice and tucked. It makes the end product so much more comfortable. Yeah, the only thing I would probably change is maybe like different lashes, but you live and you learn. And I wish I had some like different gems and maybe some even bigger ones. Like I feel like that would be good. I do have some like stars and stuff. Like I wonder if these ColourPop ones would match stars or something, just for some interest. These love hearts are really nice and big, so I'm just gonna do like one up on the temple there and maybe one more just over here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what looks you want me to recreate next, and do you want to see that green Zara Larsson inspired look, because I kind of love it. I love it. I love this makeup so much. Oh, I feel like a Barbie doll. Shout out to Sophia. Holy crap, I love you so much. Thank God clean girl makeup is gone. Well, it's not. For me, it's gone. Love you guys. Talk to you in my next video.